Hello viewer. Welcome to Everything Review Pro. In this video, we try to more information about top 5 treadmill. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So easily find your best product. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness. Designed for a max user weight of 220 pounds. Handrail controls allow you to control speed, start and stop, pause function. 9 built-in workout programs with large LCD display. Easy folding mechanism and soft drop. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 4. Proform Performance 600i. 60-inch length gives your legs plenty of room to stretch out your stride. ProShocks cushioning, space saver with easy lift assist. iPod compatible audio. 1-year labor warranty. Cool air workout fan, EKG grip pulse. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 3. Proform Pro 2000. 7 backlit oversized LCD with racetrack display. EKG grip pulse, dual band, Bluetooth Smart and Plus. Digital volume control. 5-year parts, 2-year labor warranty. 350 pounds weight capacity. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 2. The TR1200 DT5 treadmill desk workstation is a combination. Manual height adjustable standing desk. Providing an ergonomic boost to computer and laptop work. High capacity and quiet 2.25 HP electric motor. Android using Lifespan's free active track app. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 1. Bowflex TC100 Tread Climber. Just walk and burn up to 2.5 times the calories. Combines the motions of a treadmill, a stepper. 4 electronic functions, speed, distance, time, and calories. Heart rate monitor with integrated contact grips. Built-in USB charging port. Please check out the description for details and update prices.